In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Google Forms to a different folder. Whether you're organizing your projects or decluttering your workspace, understanding this process can streamline your workflow and save you time. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google Drive. Once there, sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Do that by clicking on the Sign In button found at the top right corner of the page, enter your credentials, and you'll be all set to go. Now, on the Google Drive interface, look for the My Drive section. This area contains all your stored files, including Google Forms. It's important to familiarize yourself with this section, as it will make locating your Google Forms easier. Next, scroll through your files to find the specific Google form that you wish to move. Once you've located it, right-click on the form to bring up a drop-down menu. Among the options available, you will see Move To. This is what you need to select. A dialog box will appear that shows your drive's existing folder structure. From here, you can choose the destination folder to which you want to move your form. If you already have a folder set up, that's great. If not, you'll see an option to create a new folder right within this interface. Click on the New Folder icon, type the desired name for this folder, and hit Create. Once you've selected or created your desired folder, it's time to finalize the move. Click on the Move button at the bottom of this dialog box, and just like that, your Google form moves seamlessly to the designated folder. You can verify this move by navigating to the folder you specified to ensure that your form is there. This part of the process is crucial because double-checking always saves us from any unwanted surprises later on. A great tip while managing folders in Google Drive is to name your folders clearly and consistently. This aids in quicker retrieval of files and better organization, especially if you're dealing with a large volume of documents. Remember, a little organization can go a long way in boosting your productivity. Congratulations! You've just learned how to effectively move Google Forms to a different folder within Google Drive. This simple yet effective skill not only helps keep your workspace organized, but also enhances productivity by making your important documents more accessible. Keep practicing with different files to become even more proficient, and soon enough, this process will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.